Here is a Ryobi 10-inch table saw, and the on-off switch is only working every now and then. So we're going to go through and pull it apart and see if there's anything wrong with it and try to fix it. I'll start by removing the 4 bolts that are holding the switch housing in. Pull the cover off. The switch is going to be here. I'm going to pull each of these 2 connectors off and then depress each side of there and try to push it through. That way. So it'll come out on this side. You have your switch out. The things you're depressing to get it to go through the housing, they come up, and then the back of the switch comes off. There's a little metal piece up in there. And there's the back of your switch. This one had a good bit of sawdust in it. I've already pulled it apart and emptied it. But this case here filled up with sawdust. And you can see that prong in there is a little burnt where it's been turning off and on. And then this metal piece has a little burnt connection there too. So I'm going to sand off the soot and then try to sand that one down in there too, and put a little electric grease in there and put it back together and see if it fixes it. Okay, put the switch back together, plugged it in, time to give it a try. It worked.